Okay folks, good morning. I'm here at Knoebels for our content creator and subscriber meetup hosted by Random Adventures 2.0, and it's an hour 25 to get here and it's pouring. It is raining out. I have my rain jacket on and everything that I'm going to be wearing, but I don't know how long I'm going to stay. I don't think any of the rides are running. Probably still some food vendors here, but let's just walk on over to Pavilion C and see who we see. I have arrived and it is still raining. This is Pavilion. There's Cliff filming me, filming you. There's Mandy. Hello. Oh, dude. Day hike Dave, who's not looking. Say hi. And then other people, which I recognize one or two of them. I want to go say hi to Tony. But here is the man of the hour. There he is.
Welcome back again.
Hi. See, I did make it.
Yes, you did.
Another guy I watch.
Hello. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. I'm feral female. I watch your stuff, and you are?
David, 210 Outdoors.
Oh yeah, I watch your stuff too. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. That's okay.
Behind everywhere.
More people here. Going around talking to people. Northwest Wind. 210. Looking at people's lights and just mingling. More people are arriving. So it's awesome. I didn't think we'd get a lot of people here today. Slow hiker Dave. Say hi.
Hi.
DJ and Mindy are giving away some stuff. Everybody's got their cameras out, so I thought I'd get mine out. So they just won their giveaway.
So Brian, where's Brian? Right here. Brian donated this big green bag. All kind of outdoor kits. So we are going to draw for that one next.
There he is. Hi. From Camping with Champion. Made it. Finally.
Well, yeah, we're trying to stay warm.
This is going to be like the worst one in summer. But I'm trying my best. There's just a lot of people here. I should probably be getting more pictures, but...
There's DJ. Hi, DJ.
How you doing?
Hi, Lovey. Hi, Lovey.
I was waiting.
I gotta get all of you guys, so please do not let me walk.
So I'm over in the bathroom away from all the noise and finally get to not yell. I feel like I have to yell when I'm talking to people today, but lots of people here. I was really surprised because it's just terrible weather, but my hands are numb. It's so cold. But I'm so happy that I came this year because I got to meet people that I'd been waiting to meet for a while, and I'm having a really nice time, and I hope that you got to make it here. So if you didn't, you're missing out. So none of the rides are really running. We saw a couple on earlier. There was at least a flume or something going by there. But for the most part, it's pretty dead outside of our pavilion here. The vendors are probably not making a lot of money today. But I'm headed back over to the pavilion, and I see that the PA Outdoor Couples is here, so I'm going to go say hi to them. Here they are. Hello. There's Shy Guy over there. I lost his fish. Gonna meet him today.
I do feel my backside getting kind of wet.
Okay, we'll keep it like right below. This is Shy Guy.
Hello.
Alright, so I'm back in my car. I had a really good time. I'm so glad that I came. I got to meet some people in person that I've been watching their channels for a while. And this is a great place to meet up with your favorite content creators and YouTubers. And if it's nice weather, there's also the rides and the vendors. So today I didn't see too many rides running. It's also pretty cold out, and so there wasn't a lot of people here, but as you saw, we did have a lot of people at our pavilion, and everybody's so friendly, and everybody's got stickers. I got a whole bag of stickers now. I'm so excited. I got to get another bear canister or an Nalgene bottle and have a place to put all these wonderful stickers. But I had a great time, and hopefully I'll be able to come again next year. And I hope you had a good time following along. So we'll see you again on trail. Namaste.